Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I hope your night was good. So I just woke up. It's what time is it? It's a quarter-ish past 7. A quarter past 7. So today is December 4th, I think. Yes. I didn't film yesterday, which was Friday. Yeah, I didn't film because it was the same thing. I went to work, and then before coming home, I needed to, because I didn't have the time to get everything I wanted on Thursday. So yeah, I had to go and get me that, and then I came home. So yeah, that was it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did. I washed my hair. Yes, I did wash my hair, and then I put it in this thing. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I think I'll go and have breakfast. Guys, I want to make how do you call it? Pancakes, yeah. I did make it twice, but it was not in the morning, it was for dinner. So yeah, I did make it twice, but now I want to try and see to make it. So yeah, let's go and make some breakfast. Yeah. I'll brush my teeth and then make breakfast. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do eat without brushing. Yes. I feel like if you did brush your teeth like last night, you can eat before you do, you know. Yeah, so yeah, let's go and do that. I don't know if I'll film the process, but yeah, let's go.
Wanna wake up on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Is it too much? Oh no. Wanna be on the Forbes list of wishes where hers is it too much? Yeah. Should be on my body, me, moto, dansa, kati, sese. Should be on my body, me. I'm all by my shoujo, I'm all by my foya, I'm all by me. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire, a billionaire. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire. And if I had to do this all again, I wouldn't change anything. People love me and the fans adore me, my super story. I'm standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know my name, 'cause I burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know my name, and I'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad.
Hi guys, in today's video, what should I say? No, this is the continuity of a clip, a vlog that I started on Saturday. Saturday was the 4th of December, yeah, and on the 5th, which was Sunday, I didn't film. Why? Because yeah, I didn't film. I went to church, I came back, and yeah, I did a bunch of things, but like, I'm not used to vlog, so I sometimes forget to pick my phone to film. But yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Once again, like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and enjoy. Thank you in advance. So right now I'm at work. Well, I'm on break. I'm on lunch break, but I decided to stay in the office. So yeah, yeah, nothing much is happening. Yeah. Oh, let me update you guys. So the last time I filmed, well, the clip before these ones was on Saturday. Yeah. I did make breakfast, and that was it. I didn't film the whole day. I did not film the whole day. I didn't have time to film also, because filming, it does take time, guys. It does take a lot of time. It's time consuming. So yeah, yeah, now I'm on break. I stay in the office, as I said, and I'm playing games right now. Let me show you. This is what I'm doing. So that's it. Just wait. Right now it's 12:50, and I'm on break since 12:30. Yeah. See you soon. Talk to you later.
Wanna wake up on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Is it too much? Oh no. Wanna be on the Forbes list of wishes where verses. Is it too much? Yeah. Shebi omo bani mi mo to dansa kati sese. Shebi omo bani mi. I'ma buy my shoujo. I'ma buy my foya. Omo bani mi. I'm gonna be a billionaire. A billionaire. A billionaire. I'm gonna be a billionaire. A billionaire. And if I had to do this all again, I wouldn't change anything. People love me and the fans adore me, my super story. I'm standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know my name, 'cause I burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know my name.
So guys, I came from work and I'm going home, but I just need to check on some things before actually going home. So yeah, come along. Pa-pa-pa-da-pa-pa-pa. Hi guys, today is Friday 10th. Yes. Yeah, and I'm about to leave work now. It's almost 1, so yeah, I'm about to leave. I need to go and get something. I need to buy a present for my niece, and then what else? Some other thing though. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Bonjour.
Yeah.
Nick on this.
No, yeah, yeah. Oh, Jehovah, Lord, I thank you for my life. Oh, thank you for my life. Jehovah, Lord, I praise you for my life.
Guys, it's raining. Like, why every time I decide, like, anytime I decide to do something, I don't know, to film, it must rain. Why like, why me? Like, I don't want to carry an umbrella. Duh. But anyways, I think I'll continue vlogging. If it's too much, I'll stop. Yeah, I hope we can deal with this one. Well, for now, yeah. So let's continue our vlogging. Yeah. Oh my, there's the shop I wanted to go, but it's closed. So I don't really know where I'll get the present. But yeah. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Should I say welcome? I don't think so. So guys, I wanted to show you my new shades from All Vision. So yeah, actually it's not from All Vision. I did purchase these shades from Shein, and then I put my how do you say it, my prescription. Yes, so I took these shades from Shein, and then I put the prescription on it. So yeah, this is how it looks. So let's just try these babies on, and then let's try them on. Okay, when I got them, I like them, so I want to see how it's like right now. Excuse you, like, I love them. What do you think? It's so much like clearer than what I had. On this, I have these for guys. Sorry for the noises, you know, big family, a lot of noise. I have these for I think 2 years. Yes, and then I have another one. Yeah, these. It's been over 1 year now. I have these. I don't know. Do you think they don't look alike, right? I don't know. Do you think I gravitate like to similar frames or so? Anyway, let me show you guys. So yeah, these was what I had before. Well, before this I have a rectangular one, and yeah, it was like really small, like so, or the half of this. Yeah, so then I got these. Let me show you. So I got these, and then I got these. Yes, these. And now I have these, and I'm loving it. It's weird because I can see the borders. It's transparent, so it's, I don't know. So yeah, rate my new frame. I was taking thumbnails. Why am I looking at myself? I need to look here. Instead of looking here, I'm looking here. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, that was it for my unboxing new frame. So yeah, see you in my next vlog or in the other one. By the way guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Like this video. Your likes do help me, so please go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your friends. So I guess I'll see you in my next vlog or video or later, because yeah, I might continue this vlog. Anyways, bye.